Tingnan natin yung salamin natin para di tayo umayok. Wala ka, doon ka mag... Oh, battle mo si Dada doon. Hindi pa pala, hindi ba? Hindi nakikita nga ito yun. Ayan. Tapos, maglagay tayo dito na. Doon, beng-beng mo si Dada, beng-beng. Hi, I'm back. I think I need to visit a doctor again because my glasses is getting blurred now. Let's clean this first and we're going to do a what's on my maleta. Hoy, La! Ikaw pa rin talagang iniisip ko. La, patuloy mo lang yan. Wala na! Dilaw na naman to. Yan na talaga eh. Sabi ko, ano tayo eh. So, let's see. Are you ready? What's on my maleta? So, I told you guys that I just got home from a vacation. Lakasan mo pa. From province. So, this is my luggage. So, first, you can see the neck pillow. Kalimutan ko ito sa bus. Sumahat tuloy yung leg ko. Just like that. And you sleep like that. Like that. Okay? And we have here a dirty cup of my baby. And this is a check-in luggage. And are you ready to open? Are you ready? Say aye, Captain. Let's open. Open. Let's see. Parang kailangan ko ilipat yung lipat natin dito sa taas. Oh, ayan. Basic. Nahulog. Kasi wala akong stand eh. Ang hirap talaga pag walang stand, guys.